Hello everyone, welcome to the series of theory of computation. In this video we will discuss one question based on context free grammar. The question is, given context free grammar, give context free grammar generating the set of palindrome strings that reads the same forward as backward over alphabets. That is, we have to generate a context free grammar for the strings which are palindromes over alphabet A and B. That is, our input symbols are A and B, that is terminal symbols are A and B, and we have to generate palindrome. Palindrome means what? The string can be read same from A and B. So we will see some examples. Suppose AA. So from start and end we can read the same thing. The string can be BB. From start and end we can read the same thing. The string can be ABA, that is from start and A it can be read same. Again BAB can be there. Then ABBA can be there. Then ABB BBA can be there. Then BAA B can be there. So these are the various possible combinations of strings that we can generate as input AB, and all these are the palindrome strings. That is, the grammar we can generate is S gives ASA or BSB or A or B or epsilon. Okay. So this will be the grammar for this string. Now we will demonstrate whether this grammar generate for all the strings which are palindrome or not. So we can generate AA from this grammar. S gives ASA and this S can be replaced with epsilon. So we will get AA here. Again S gives BSB and we can replace this S with epsilon. So we will get a string BB here. Okay. In the same way, we can get the string S gives ASA and this S can be replaced as B. So we can get a string ABA, which is a palindrome. Okay. And S gives, suppose we have to generate this string, what can we do? S gives BSB, then this S will be replaced as ASB, ASA and B. Again this S will be replaced with B A ASA AB, that is, we have replaced this S with ASA, and we want 5 number of A's, 4 number of A's here. So this S will be replaced with epsilon. So we will get the string BAA AAB. So this will be the grammar. We can generate any string of this type, that is of type palindrome, with the help of this grammar. So this is how you have to generate a context free grammar for given string. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to see more examples on this topic.